Let's draw a bug.
B-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's make a circle. And now we'll add a curve after we make our circle. The curve is going to go from here to here. Now we'll add a line that goes from here to here. Next, we're going to add some circles. So let's add one circle here, and then another circle over here. Then we'll add a bigger circle right here, and then another circle over here, the same size. Then let's add two more circles, 1, 2. Next, we're going to add a curve that's going to start here, and it's going to go through this line and go to here. Now we're going to add in a line that goes here and a line that goes here with a curve. It goes like this, and a curve that goes like this. Now we're going to color in some shapes. Let's color in these circles. And then we're going to color in this whole shape here. And now we're going to color in this whole area here. This is a bug. What color will you make your bug? Will you have it walking on something? Will you have something around it? Use your imagination and see what you can add. Thanks so much for drawing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.